Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. It's Throwback Thursday and I brought out this. I'm back at the park. There's no more rain, and so I have my CG023. It has a different canopy on here. You guys probably don't recognize this canopy because this canopy came off another Nano QX clone, and this is a Nano QX clone, and it has its own protocol on multi-protocol radios, CG023, and there was an Eachine version of this. The Eachine version had a canopy sort of like this. I think it came with two canopies, but anyhow, this one is not the Eachine version. I had the Eachine version, and I was flying it at night, and it went under a car, and this thing has a funny feature where if it's on for, I think it's about 10 seconds without any movement or input or anything, it'll just shut off. And so all the lights turned off for me at night, and I never found this guy. I ended up buying another one. And I didn't get this one from Banggood's website, so it's not Eachine branded. And I did find that it had a few differences. It was still on the CG023 protocol, but the lights were different. This one, the lights were a different color, and it slightly flew different. I think the one that I had from Eachine flew a little better, but this one still flies great. It has a nice yaw rate. The yaw rate isn't as fast as the Nano QX that it's copying, but it does fly harder. I think it flies a little better. It flies a little more aggressive. It flies with a little bit more authority, I think, when you're flying it aggressive. And so enough talk. Let's get this guy in the air so you guys can see how it flies. I did swap out the connection. It originally had a micro low-C connection, and I switched it to PH 2.0. I've been doing that lately with all my quads. And so just so I can fly with these type of batteries, the technology got better. So let's get this guy in the air and check it out. This down. Check it out. Let's bring it up high so you can see the yaw rate. That's the yaw. So the yaw isn't bad at all, but it's not as fast as the original. You can see this guy flies great. Really quiet. Banks really nice. Does funnel turns nice. Does funnels nice. And because of the multi-protocol, it does have a very deep pitch on it. Especially when you're doing funnels. This thing, when you fly aileron and elevator at the same time, this guy does a very deep funnel. Check it out. It almost faces vertically down. I can't remember if I can pull off manual flips with this. I should be able to. Let's try. A really slow one. Sheesh. And I came down a little too hard. So not a whole lot of power with this guy, but it does fly great. Look at it. Jeez, the mosquitoes are biting me out here. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the flips. Do I have the flips set up? Let's see. I think it might be in LVC. Sheesh, the flips are pretty nice too. I don't see any blinking. Maybe I don't have the flips set up. Yeah, the flips must not be set up because whenever I hit this button, the lights just turn off. Yeah, no flips. I'm pressing everything to try to get this guy to flip. The flips are really snappy, just like the Bayang Toys X9. I think we're getting weak in the battery though, because it is trying to go down on me. And there's a bunch of bugs over here too. Get a good look at it. This canopy is not the stock canopy. Yeah, this battery got weak on me. Bring it in. Actually, I think I'm going to fly it into LVC. Let's see how long we can keep it in the air. Do some finesse flying with it. Actually, let's fly around some trees. Do some proximity flying. Man, it's getting really weak. I think I saw it flashing now. Let's see, is it flashing? Nope, still not flashing. It's really weak though. Yeah, this is full throttle up. Oh, pulled off a manual flip though. I kind of want to go in and see if I can get it to flip. Go into the settings real quick. But the battery is so weak, I think if it doesn't flip, it's just going to go down, I think. Man, because this is full throttle here. It's still going up a little. I can't even do a funnel without it going down. Oh, there we go. I just can't get the pitch all the way going. And I gotta apply full throttle on it. Any flashing yet? Still no flashing on it. Oh, there we go with the flashing. I don't know how long I have. Flashing rapidly now. Let's bring it down. The CG023, not the Ishin version, but it's still awesome. Blade Nano QX clone. Thanks for watching.